day 31 of 31 days of upcycling with who? Askew. I really enjoyed doing all these different projects, from bowls to pans to purses. I know this challenge might have helped some of y'all find inspiration, want to learn how to sew and all that, but it also helped me to stop procrastinating and get up and do something, because I said I was going to do 31 days and I meant that. So even on them days that I really didn't want to do it, I got up and did it, not only for myself, but for y'all, because y'all motivated me to, get up and do it too. I know y'all don't want to hear me keep on rambling. I know y'all want to see what the upcycle gonna be. So I just want to say thank y'all. Thanks to everyone who commented, sent me a message, sent me ideas. I appreciate y'all. And I announced the winner for the YouTube giveaway at the end of the video. So I'll see y'all when I see y'all, but y'all see me on the next video. Peace. The first thing I did for this project is I made some big denim flowers. The measurements I did was 5.5 by 30. What you want to do is fold your fabric in half and run a running stitch down the edge. I did fold mine down a little bit, so when I got done with it, it'll give it a cleaner look. As you pull the thread, the fabric will start rolling up on itself. Now just put a couple of stitches in there so it'll hold the flower together, and I also glued mine too. I did make 3 different sizes. The smaller one was a 4 by 30. And then the medium was a 5.5 by 30. And the biggest one, which is this one right here, was like a 5.5 by 60. I could have just added the flowers on the bottom of the skirt, but I wanted to be a little extra today. So I added these upside down pockets on the front. I added some pins and I added some grommets. I could not end this challenge without adding some grommets. I made this chain belt to go with it because I like to grunge things up with the flowers on the bottom. It was too girly. I wanted to give it a little edge. And guess what I added to the middle of the flower? Some grommets. Okay, when it comes to adding the flowers to the skirt, you can sew it. I might go back and sew mine, but right now I glued them and I used a whole lot of hot glue. Once I glued them on the first time, I went back and glued it some more. And I know somebody gonna ask, can you wash this? I wouldn't wash it. But I have washed stuff that I have glued before. But me, I was just spot clean. Y'all, I think this is my favorite upcycle so far because it's a little throwed off and I like being throwed off. I hope y'all enjoyed these 31 days because I enjoyed doing it. I might have to do it again, but just plan it out a little better. And for the giveaway, keep watching. And I picked the winner by starting with the first person to comment to the last. Okay, y'all, so I had 43 comments on YouTube. So I'm just going to let my daughter pick a random number from 1 to 43.
8.
8. So whoever left the 8 comment is the winner of the purple bow charm.